So what do we mean by environmental issues? We know that the human population is going on increasing day by day, right? If you see,
Yes, sir.
human population is increasing day by day. Okay. With the growth in population, the demand also is increasing, right? Due to this, demand of resources is also increasing, isn't it? And in order to meet the demands, in order to meet the demands, okay, what is happening? Science and technology has also advanced, isn't it? There is an advancement of science and technology also. Right? Shall I mute everyone or what? And because of this advancement of science and technology, we know that there is industrialization. Industrialization occurred. Okay. Urbanization. Urbanization has been seen. Okay. Many automobiles were brought into existence. Okay. And due to all these things, what happened? Due to all these things, it leads to addition of harmful substances in the environment. This addition of harmful substances in the environment, it is termed as what? This particular process of addition of these harmful substances, it is called as pollution. Okay? And this pollution, it is a great threat. It is a great threat to the environment. It is a great threat to the environment, right? And it leads to environmental issues. Okay, so if you see, in order to protect the environment, in order to protect the environment, an act was enacted. Okay, there was an act formulated. Government of India passed an act called Environment Protection Act. Mute all without allowing the participants to unmute themselves. This will be best now. Okay, Environment Protection Act. This was formulated in the year 1986. Right? What will it help in? This Environment Protection Act, it is helping to improve the quality of the quality of environment. That is air, water, soil, etc. Okay, to improve its quality, this Environment Act was implemented. Right? So in this chapter, we'll be talking about the pollution. Right? So first thing, let us talk about pollution. Just now we gave the definition of pollution, right? So in a modified way, I'll give you here. It is the addition of undesirable waste substances. Addition of undesirable waste substances in the atmosphere. Okay? Or we can say it is an undesirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of air, water, or soil. Right? That is pollution. Pollution could be of various types. For example, pollution, it could be of different types. One type of pollution, natural, and the other one, anthropogenic. Okay. Natural pollution means it involves the action of nature due to nature. Doesn't involve human activity. It does not involve the human activity. Whereas anthropogenic occurs due to involvement of human. Okay, occurs due to involvement of human. For example, if you see certain natural pollution, first let us talk about certain natural pollution. What could be various types of natural pollution? Tell me, what could be the various types of natural pollution? Anyone?
Volcano eruption.
Alien species. Alien species like that.
Forest aliens.
Invasion of alien species.
No.
Forest fire.
No. Forest fire, yes. If there is a forest fire, it is a natural pollution because of that. Forest fire could be because of natural things, right? Like lightning and all. Volcanic eruptions? Volcanic eruptions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tsunami.
Tsunami, how will it cause pollution? Tell me. If the waste materials dumped by humans enter into the flood water, then it will lead to pollution, right? Okay. So over here.
Sir, acid rain.
Wait. Acid rain is not only because of reason caused due to natural phenomenon. It is caused due to natural phenomenon. Okay, like emission of large quantity of toxic gas, like marsh gases and all. Okay, and remember this natural pollution, it accounts for 99.95% of air pollution. So we are not responsible for more air pollution. Nature itself is responsible for more amount of air pollution. Okay. Examples: volcanic eruptions. Okay, volcanic eruptions, landslides. Okay, then forest fire. Forest fires can be taken. Not only this, you can say in certain marshy areas, marsh gases. Okay, methane and all will be released, right, in the marshy areas. And UV radiations. Okay, these are all certain natural pollution. Right? Then the second one was what? Earthquake. What type of pollution it will cause? Tell me. There could be different natural calamities. Everything we are not writing with. Volcanic eruptions already given. Na? Volcanic eruptions may lead to earthquakes.
Soil erosion.
Soil erosion may also lead. Anthropogenic pollution. Okay. So in case of anthropogenic pollution, what do we know? We know that it is caused because of anthropogenic action. Due to human activity. It is caused due to human activities. Okay. It is a very less. Okay, only 0.05% of pollution is because of human activity or not?
Yes.
Example: noise pollution. Okay, noise pollution. Then smoking. Okay, then if you see industries, industrial release. Industrial release. Right?
Throwing waste in water also, no, sir. Water pollution.
Obviously, I just give you pollution on basis of part of environment involved. Part of environment involved means which component of environment is involved on that basis. Again, we can say pollution is of different types. Air pollution, water pollution.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, your voice is
Sir, I
breaking.
have a doubt.
What doubt you have?
Sir, UV radiations is anthropogenic, sir.
How?
So because
You
of
are-
ozone
you are-
depletion.
No, UV radiation, you are releasing or sun is releasing?
So sun is releasing, but touching the earth surface by ozone depletion, na, sir.
Who told? Because of ozone depletion, more UV radiations will enter. If ozone layer is there, even then also some UV radiations are entering. Ozone layer is just preventing some harmful UV radiations to enter.
Harmful radiation. Okay, sir.
Normally also UV radiations will enter. Don't think that because of ozone depletion only UV. Because of human activity, more UV radiations are entering.
Okay, sir.
So I need not explain here about air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, because we'll have in more detail. Just I'll add examples. CO2, okay, smoke, aerosols, when they are added in air pollution. See, then water pollution is due to sewage disposal, industrial effluent, because of this, isn't it? And soil pollution because of agrochemicals, okay, fertilizers. This leads to soil pollution. Okay. Now, the substances that lead to pollution are called as what?
Pollutants.
Substances that cause pollution are called pollutants. They are called as pollutants. Now, if you see pollutants also, they are of different types. Right? So you'll see the categorization of pollutants. First basis, based upon their degradation in nature. They are of two types. Biodegradable. Okay. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable.
Art comes under pollution.
What happened?
Art comes under pollution, sir.
Heart.
Fart.
Acha. So whether it comes in pollution or not, you have a doubt. Why? Why do you think you have a doubt related to that? What type of pollutant you are adding? What happened? Who was it, Sai Krishna? Ritvik. Ritvik of AIMS 1. He left. Tomorrow you remind me once, we'll clear his doubt properly. Biodegradable means, you know, I guess, right? Okay. Any substances that can be easily decomposed by natural activity, which can get easily decomposed, is called as biodegradable. Okay. Any substance that cannot be easily decomposed, okay, it is called as non-biodegradable. Right? If substances can be easily decomposed, biodegradable. If it is not easily decomposed, okay, it is non-biodegradable. Got my point? Tell me the names of certain biodegradable waste material.
So vegetable peel, vegetable waste,
Organic material.
banana peel.
Organic material, very good. Instead of saying this banana, vegetable and all. Organic waste. Generally, domestic sewage. Domestic sewage can be a biodegradable waste. Okay. Non-biodegradable waste.
Plastic,
Plastics,
polythene bags,
metals. Array, that will come under plastics only, na? PVC we can take, polyvinyl chlorides. Based upon different composition of that, can be taken. Okay. Then heavy metals, cadmium, mercury and all, and radioactive waste. radioactive waste also. Okay, this is one categorization. Another categorization, if you see, pollutants based upon their presence, they are of again two types. Based on existence in nature, they are of two types. What are those two types? If you see, one is qualitative pollutants and another one is quantitative and quantitative, right? So qualitative in the sense, for example, over here, based upon their presence, okay, based upon their presence means normally they are not present. Okay, if even small amount is present, it is called as pollution. Okay, so these are normally not present in atmosphere, okay, or environment. Their presence adds to pollution. Okay, example, if you say DDT, normally is DDT present in the air or water or soil? No, we add it, right? Fungicides, weeds. Weeds are natural plants. Pesticides. Then quantitative, if you see, they are normally present in environment. Okay, but increase in the quantity of these substances causes pollution. For example, carbon dioxide is present in atmospheric air or not? Tell me.
Sir,
It is present. But if more carbon dioxide is present, then it will cause pollution. Carbon monoxide also, then nitrogen oxides. Okay, normally they are present, but if their quantity increases, then it leads to pollution. Got it? Then last categorization of pollutants. One more categorization we can take. Pollutants, again, they are of two types. This is on basis of form of pollutants in which they possess. Form of release. If they're released in their original form or they get altered, based on that, you have two types of pollutants. They are primary. Primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Primary as well as secondary pollutants. So primary pollutants, if you see, okay, these are emitted directly into the environment in original form. Directly released in environment in the original form. Okay, right? Example, your DDT. Okay, then SO2, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide. Okay, nitrogen oxides. All this. Whereas secondary pollutants, if you take this into consideration, okay, they are formed by reactions. They are formed due to reactions in primary pollutants. So primary pollutants may react with each other, okay, and then result into formation of secondary pollutant. Example, PAN. See, this question has come in NEET examination. In 2018 NEET examination, there was a question related to PAN. Okay, PAN is peroxy acetyl nitrate. Okay, and ozone. This is also a type of secondary pollutant. How is this PAN formed? Okay, and how are the photochemical smog and also even photochemical smog also? This is also a secondary pollutant, okay, because it is formed by reactions within the primary pollutants. Okay, so these are various different types of pollutants. Okay, so three categorizations we have taken, right? Three categorizations of pollutants.
Sir,
Okay.
can we say camphor as a secondary pollutant?
What?
Camphor as a secondary pollutant?
Cancer pollutant.
Like camphor.
Camphor. No. How can you say it is a secondary pollutant?
Why? Because it releases carbon monoxide on the body.
Array, when it is releasing something, for example, if you burn wood, you'll really the wood will also release carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. So you'll call wood as a pollutant.
Yes.
Yes, array, carbon dioxide.
Surender.
Yeah, I know there was a power cut in your campus because of which Wi-Fi got shut down. So we have finished things related to pollutants, right? Tomorrow what we'll do is we'll start with air pollution then. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, see you all tomorrow. Have a good day.
Bye, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Sir, bye. Thank you.
Sir,
What happened?
Sir, you stop